In today's video, I'll show you how you can export Lucidchart drawings as SVG, PNG, shareable links, and many other formats. So let's get started. So here we are in Lucidchart, and I have my project here, which is a sample project that I have for this tutorial. And now I would want to export this. To do that, I simply need to click here on File, and then go into Export, and then I would now have a bunch of formats right here that I could use for my export. So I could go for Word, I could go for PNG, PDF, PNG with transparent background, and so on right here. So basically just choose the one that you want. So for example, I just want PNG. I'm going to click on PNG, and then I will now be prompted here into the export page. From here, just simply select the file format, make sure it's still PNG, but if you change your mind, you could always switch right here. And then the crop, so you can select your crop, you can go for do not crop, crop content, or custom if you'd want to do manual cropping. And then you have the quality right here, so you can go for screen quality or print quality, which is the best one. And then it could also include page fill or not. It would actually depend on the file format, so that you'd have your respective options right here. Once you're done, click on download, and it will now generate the file. And in just a few moments, you'd now be able to see that it's now being downloaded into your PC. So I'm going to click here on download, and here it is. And now when I open that, I would now have this right here, which is my work or project here in Lucidchart. So that's it on how you'd be able to do that in those formats. But now, what if you want to share this in a shareable link? It's very simple. You just simply need to click here on share on the top right, and then this is where you can turn on shareable link. And then now you can just click on copy link and make sure that the permission is granted with the right one, whatever permission you'd want. And then just simply give this to the other person, and then when they access that or use your link, they would now be able to access your project. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.